Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 plus cosine x on numerator and denominator. Next, this one that is about identity. Now we have the formula in here. Sine x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we put cosine x squared go to the right because we have 1 minus cosine x squared. This one we change sine x squared. Cosine x multiplied by number 1 and cosine x. Now we have cosine x squared, so we can apply the same formula in here. But this one we change cosine x squared, this one we change sine x squared. So we have 1 minus sine x squared. So we have cosine x divided by sine x squared, number 1 divided by sine x squared divided by sine x squared. So this one you got about cosecant of x squared. The integration of cosecant of x squared, you got about negative cosine x. Number 1, that's about negative x. And now we need to concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one you got about u squared. Cosine x dx we change by du. The integration of this one you got about negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's about sine x. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that's about this one, and we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.